Hey, my name's Luis. I'm with Artisan Roofing. I'm here to talk to you about the different layers of a roofing system. Our process here at Artisan Roofing is taking everything down to the deck. As you see on the roof behind me, everything is stripped down to the deck to make sure it's a smooth, nailable surface. This is the first layer of your roof. During our inspection, we're going to make sure that there's no soft spots, punctures, or nails sticking up that are going to cause any problems with the roofing system. If we did find any problems with the OSB, we would replace that section with a brand new piece of OSB and make sure that it's a clean, nailable surface. Layer 2 is Ice and Water Shield. Ice and Water Shield is a specialized waterproof membrane, protects from wind-driven rain and ice buildup. It does exactly what's in the name, and we want to layer this on the valleys, the eaves, and any penetration such as pipes or vents. Layer 3 is the underlayment. Most roofs are installed with a 15 to 30 pound felt. We go back with a synthetic underlayment that's more resilient to the elements. Layer 4 is the starter strip. It protects from wind-driven rain, and it serves as an anchor point for the first row of shingles to be installed along the roof. Layer 5 is going to be the field shingle. Industry standard is typically a 20 to 25 year grade shingle. Our standard at Artisan Roofing is going back with the minimum of at least an architectural shingle. An architectural shingle will have a higher wind resistance and better curb appeal for your home, which is also going to give you the benefits of a discount on your insurance premiums. Layer 6 is going to be the ventilation and the accessories. The ventilation is going to be dependent on the style of the roof that you have. The accessories are going to include pipe jacks, metal flashings, and any of the other components that are needed for your roofing system. It's important that these components are changed out and installed correctly because it's going to be the most common entry point for water to be coming in. The last layer of the roof is going to be the ridge cap. This is going to be the top layer where two sides of the slopes meet up. There's two types of ridge caps, there's standard and high profile. A standard profile, like on the roof that you see behind us, is going to be more of a flat layered look. A high profile ridge cap shingle is thicker and heavier than the standard grade 3-tab shingle. It's meant to give a bolder and better appearance to the roof. So these are the 7 layers of the roof. Quick recap of what those are is the decking, the ice and water shield, the felt, the starter, the field, the ventilation, and the ridge cap. My name is Luis with Artisan Roofing, and I'd be happy to build your next roof.